Hello, so I will be going through ABCya.com. So this is something that would be great for both parents, teachers, and students that would be working on it. So again, this would be in the range from pre-K to 5, as you can see from up here. I focus around pre-K, kindergarten, and first because I've got kids that are, some of them are closer to pre-K level than kindergarten, but some are also first grade pushing second grade. So on here, students can have a class login, or there can be a family login. You can go through different sections, so you can go from letters to numbers to holidays, strategies, and skills. But if you wanted to really get into it, you'd pick the grade that you'd want. So I'd pick kindergarten. So with kindergarten, I'm looking here, and I can scroll down and I can see kindergarten words. So this is going to be focusing on different things. These are videos that you can watch, games you can play to help you. So let's say we wanted to do alphabet slider puzzles. So we're going to come here and it's going to load. And then we're going to press play. And we're going to play with sliders. So look, it's an apple. They have to slide everything to get to where it needs to be. See? As easy as that. Apple. So that's something that you could do. Or you could go into other things. So you can learn about coins, numbers. If any of this seems too high, you just go right back up to the top and you go to pre-K. Then you can go down from there. So then you look and you see different things on here, and it would be lower to be helpful for the kids that are in pre-K. So some kids that might seem lower, but you could go all the way to 5th grade. So in 5th grade, you can scroll down and you can see things like synonyms, alphabet work, parts of speech, verb viper, nouns and verbs. So this is really getting into kids being able to know their letters and different things like that. But in 5th grade, it's going all the way into like synonyms and nouns and verbs. It can always also go into like number work. So let's say I go back to kindergarten because that's where my kiddos are. And I were to click on math, it's going to show me all these different games that you could do for math. So base 10, you could do bingo, you can do first 5, so working on the numbers from 1 to 5, patterning, different things like that. If you didn't want to do math, you could do things about holidays and kindergarten again. So working on making a tree, these are all different games you can play, and it's helpful because kids help and learn about the holidays and different things like that. Then you can go all the way up and you can go to strategies. And with strategies, it's teaching you different things like baby chicken a maze. That game is one that you take a baby chicken, you lead him through the maze. So you have to strategically think of where you're going to put him and how to get him all the way through. Same thing with all of these. These are different ways to, like strategy games, to help kids use their brain to start thinking of other things. Going all the way up, if you want to go to skills, coloring, painting, computer vocabulary, Cyber 5, different things like that. This site, again, is very helpful for parents and for kids, just because this is something that your kids can get on at home. It's school-based, it's academic-based, and it just has, it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of fun games for kids to play on here, a lot of different things for them to do, and you can stick around where you think that they would be. So if they can do these skills, you just move right on over to 1st grade and start working on 1st grade level, and then you just keep going up. Again, this would be something that would be beneficial for kids that are in elementary school or from pre-K all the way to 5. It doesn't go any higher than that, so like that's the range of where you'd have it. Or if you have a student that's in the upper grades that's lower and needs extra assistance, this could be beneficial for them too. I think that this would be something good that parents, teachers, and students would be able to use. And I think that parents could definitely use this at home to benefit students being able to still play like games, but they're academic games that could help them with their progress. I picked this one because I think that not many people actually know about this site. ABCya, I actually found like a year ago, and I never really used it because we weren't really using a lot of technology in the classroom. So we decided to start getting more technology based in our school and focus on technology. So I was trying to find different things that my students could use, and This one was very nice with my kids this year, and I'm going to continue to use it. If you have any questions on this site, again, this is 100% free. You can get on these anywhere. You can do different things that could help your kids or your students to better themselves. So if you do have any questions, just leave me a comment. I'll get back to you, and I'll help you as much as I can. Thank you.